Hello YouTube. Guess what? It is snowing out there. It is a snowstorm out there. Let's look at the backyard. Boy, look at it come down. My goodness. Let's look over here. Boy, look at it come down.
Let it go.
Here's this. Oh. Well. Boy. Also, let's go downstairs on the main pillar over there. Alright. Boy. This is a massive blizzard. This is a snowstorm. Alright. Watch it snow. Alright. So. And also, it is a major snowstorm out there. And also, someone on YouTube, which is my fellow YouTuber, made 2 milestones. Alrighty. Jim Lee Elevers posted he clinched over 300 subscribers and over 400,000 video views. And he's got a video going on. He posted one yesterday, and I really can't wait to see it. Congratulations, Jim Lee Elevers. You have reached over 300 subscribers and 400,000 video views. Way to go, buddy. So, boy, the sun started to pop out. Still snowing as it is outside. So, I'm what to say now is, that's it. And with that being said, I would like to say now is, Thanks for watching. This is 1986 Pet Zachary, your host. Have a good day.